Pakistan won the toss. Pakistan win the toss and decided to bat first. And Pakistan opening Shahid Khan Afridi, and again Pakistan very good pitch. And Pakistani batsman Shahid Khan Afridi and Imran Nazir very good start in One Day International. And Pakistan spin bowler Saqlain Mushtaq and Muhammad Yusuf again. What a pressure again is the spin bowler in Pakistani. And Pakistan won the toss and decided to bat first. And Pakistan opening Shahid Khan Afridi, Imran Nazir, Wazim Akram, Saqlain Mushtaq, Yusuf Yohana, Abdul Razak, Moin Khan, Rashid Latif, Inzamam ul Haq, Azhar Mahmood, Shoaib Akhtar and Shoaib Malik in Pakistan, 2 wicket keeper, Rashid Latif and Moin Khan, and very good, great batsman Pakistan, Miao Wali, Shadab Khan, very great Pakistan, and very all-rounder Shadab Khan again is a very good in the 6th round One Day International. Where stand Pakistan? And Pakistan won the toss and decided to bat first. And Pakistan opening Shahid Khan Afridi and very good Imran Nazir. And the first ball Pakistan innings. Oh, 6 runs! One Day International and the 3 sixes. What is starting? Pressure in Pakistan just now. What the pressure? What pressure Pakistan, what a kick game Pakistan. Shahid Khan Afridi, what a great pressure in One Day International. Pakistan, big man. Khan. Shahid Khan Afridi dismissed. No thanks, I am Thakatruta.